Welcome to another Style Guide. Today we are talking about styling your dining space. I get asked this question all the time. I have a dining room table, I have no idea what to put on it. So I have a couple staple pieces that I love to use when styling a dining area. First is a really beautiful bowl. So I love this large wavy bowl. It's so structural and cool. It looks like a piece of artwork. This is something you can have out all the time. If your dining space is in your eat-in kitchen, you could even put fresh fruit in this bowl. Also, I love to do a really tall vase next to the large bowl. So we chose this large oversized glass rounded bottom vase, and we put in the pampas grass that we sell on the shop. I love how fluffy it is and how coastal it is, and the colors with the curtains behind. It just kind of pulls everything together. So you can choose fresh greenery from your yard. You can choose even the faux palms from our shop we use all the time in a vase on a dining table. Behind the dining table, we have this beautiful credenza that we wanted to keep the styling pretty simple above. Our client's actually gonna add a custom piece of artwork here, so we were keeping that in mind with the accessories. First is this beautiful gold bowl. I love the marble details around. This is great by itself, or you can even put one of our faux orchids in here with some Spanish moss on top. Also candles. I love candles in every single room of a home, especially a dining room where you're entertaining and you want that soft light at night. So we sell these glass bowls that I love using as hurricanes for candles. You can just add sand to the bottom. We actually sell these little vessels of sand on the shop. Put these in the bottom of your bowls and then add the small and the large Molten candle inside. Light that at night when you're entertaining and it just looks gorgeous. So just a few tips on how to style your dining space at home. I hope that's helpful. And as always, everything is available on our shop in person or online.